Hello everyone, welcome to Shar Can Cook. Today we are going to make a breakfast grilled cheese sandwich. So let's get started. In a non-stick skillet, you want to melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Then you're going to want to take 8 thin slices of deli ham and just bundle them up. You want them thin so you can fold them up easily. Okay, now you're going to brown them on both sides. Now check and see if they're brown. If they are, flip them over. Okay, once they're brown on the other side, you want to remove them. Set them aside. And you want to wipe out your skillet. You can turn the heat off for now. Now you want 2 slices of pumpernickel rye bread or any other bread that you choose. And on the one side of the bread, we'll add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Spread it out. And a tablespoon of spicy mustard. Spread that out. I think I put a little bit more on. I think I had a full tablespoon. There. Now, on the one side with the mayonnaise, you put 2 slices of Swiss cheese on. And then 2 slices on the mustard side. Set that aside. And we're going to slice onion rings. Red onion. Now top the 1 piece of bread with 4 of your ham slices. Now cut some slices of your tomato. This is a Cherokee purple tomato from my garden. Now we're going to put the tomatoes on top. And add a few slices of the red onion, as many as you like, or you can leave them off if you don't like onions. Okay, now we're going to get the egg. Now to a clean skillet, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of butter on medium-low heat. Now crack 1 egg. A little bit of salt and some pepper. Let that cook a while and we'll get to our sandwich. You want to place the egg on top. Then place the remainder 4 slices of the ham. This is a thick sandwich. Now place your other piece of bread on top. And then we're going to grill it. To a clean skillet on medium-low heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now carefully add your sandwich to the skillet and let it brown on the one side. Then you're going to carefully flip it over to the other side once it's brown. Now we're going to flip it over. Be very careful when flipping. Kind of straighten it out a little bit if it's okay. Now remove it to a plate. This sandwich looks so good. That is really a good sandwich. Makes a great breakfast sandwich. The whole family will enjoy it. Really delicious. I hope you give it a try. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and maybe leave a comment about it. And I'll see you at my next one. Bye.